The rainbow is an example of underscore of white light. A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Dispersion. D. Scattering. The answer is C. Dispersion. After a rainfall, large number of droplets still remain suspended in the air. When light passes through them, it is split into 7 colors. Dispersion of white light from a large number of droplets eventually forms a rainbow. Periscopes are used in A. Submarines. B. Tanks. C. Ships. D. All the above. The answer is A. Submarine. B. Tank. Periscopes are used in submarines underwater to see ships above the water. They are also used in tanks. The blue color of the sky is due to a phenomenon called A. Rayleigh scattering. B. Mie scattering. C. Tyndall scattering. D. Raman scattering. The answer is A. Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering. According to this law, the shorter wavelength colors are scattered much more than the longer wavelength colors. When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the blue color shorter wavelength is scattered more than the red color longer wavelength. How long it will take the sunlight to reach the earth? A. 16 minutes. B. 8 minutes. C. 2 minutes. D. 4 minutes. The answer is B. 8 minutes. The distance from the Sun to the Earth is about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, 186,282 miles per second. To calculate the time it takes for sunlight to reach Earth, time equals distance speed times / speed distance. Time equals 150 million km 299,792 km per second, approximately 500 seconds, or about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The minimum distance at which a normal human eye can see objects clearly is A. 10 centimeters. B. 15 centimeters. C. 25 centimeters. D. 20 centimeters. The answer is C. 25 centimeters. The minimum distance required to see the objects distinctly without strain is called least distance of distinct vision. It is called as near point of eye. It is 25 centimeters for normal human eye. Why red lights are used in traffic signals? A. It is scattered the least by air molecules. B. It has a longer wavelength and human eyes are more sensitive to longer wavelengths. C. Universal conventions. D. Associations with danger. The answer is A. It is scattered the least by air molecules. B. It has a longer wavelength and human eyes are more sensitive to longer wavelengths. Red light is scattered the least by air molecules. Red light has a longer wavelength compared to colors like green and blue. This longer wavelength makes red light more visible, especially under different lighting conditions such as low light or fog. Human eyes are more sensitive to longer wavelengths, such as red, under low light conditions. This makes red signals more visible at dawn, dusk, or during the night. A mirage is a phenomenon that involves A. Reflection of light. B. Refraction of light. C. Scattering of light. D. Total internal reflection of light. The answer is D. Total internal reflection of light. On hot summer days, when you are traveling on a straight road, you have seen the patch of water on the road which keeps moving ahead as you approach it. This is an illusion sometimes in the desert or over hot roads. A ray of light from an object successively bends away from the normal and undergoes total internal reflection if the angle of incidence for the air near the ground exceeds the critical angle. Which of the following use concave lens? A. Camera lenses. B. Used to correct myopia. C. Microscope. D. Projectors. A concave lens is thinner in the middle than at edges. It is a diverging lens. It produces virtual images. It is used to treat myopia. During a solar eclipse, what happens? A. The moon comes between the earth and the sun. B. The earth comes between the moon and the sun. C. The sun comes between the earth and the moon. D. The moon aligns perfectly with the sun and earth. A. The moon comes between the earth and the sun. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon arrives between the sun and the earth. The shadow of the moon appears on the earth. How does light propagate through a fiber optic cable? The options are A. By conduction. B. Via electromagnetic induction. C. Due to total internal reflection. D. By the movement of electrons. The answer is C. Due to total internal reflection.